Automation World's Technology Matters. I'm David Greenfield, Director of Content, and today I'm going to highlight some of the key automation trends that were on display last week at PAC Expo International in Chicago. So let's start with the new no-cable technology update to Beckhoff's extended transport system that's typically referred to as XTS. Now, if you're not familiar with XTS, it's a materials handling system with movers that can move independently or be synchronized in groups for material handling in a variety of consumer packaged goods processing and packaging applications. For example, tooling on the XTS movers can be used to open and close bags and cap bottles among, an array of other possible tasks. And this new no cable XTS brings contactless continuous power supply and synchronous real-time data transmission directly to the XTS movers. To enable this, a special motor module and electronics have been added to the XTS system, meaning that no additional connections or supply lines are required. And this allows for processing steps and quality control to be accomplished directly on the mover while a process is still running. Beckhoff's Jeff Johnson said, with traditional linear transport systems, if you wanted to grip something, you'd have to have two of the movers mechanically linked to do the gripping. But now that Beckhoff has integrated power and data on the movers, you can mount things like vacuum generators on the movers to do vacuum pickup of materials, or you can use any end-of-arm robot tooling on the movers to pick and place a product. Now, a few new applications made possible by the XTS no-cable technology include the ability to divide and reunite product flows using mechatronic transfers between two movers. You can sort products using an integrated pusher on the mover, pick and place products using vacuum suction units, and you can pick up individual products from unsorted and irregular product flows and then sort them into good and bad parts or place them correctly for final packaging. Now, another interesting automation development shown at PAC Expo involves micro data centers. Now, this might seem kind of unusual since data centers are typically these large areas used by enterprise IT departments to house routers, switches, firewalls, storage systems, and servers. But micro data centers are small, modular versions of data centers used to manage computing workloads for specific operations. Now, at PAC Expo, Stratus and Schneider Electric exhibited three sizes of the EcoStruxure Micro Data Center, which feature the Stratus FT server for use in consumer packaged goods and pharmaceutical applications. Now, key features of the FT server include embedded cybersecurity, no unscheduled downtime based on its built-in failure prediction capabilities, and remote monitoring. Now, these features are key for the type of operations technology use that Schneider Electric and Stratus were highlighting at PAC Expo, which centered on the micro data center's ability to house not just IT communications and storage gear, but HMI, SCADA, historians, batch processing, manufacturing execution systems, asset performance management, and cybersecurity systems. Jay David with Stratus said that the micro data center can replace any or all of the components associated with the server control panel, such as automation and control software, the computers where the software is installed, power supplies, and even the networking equipment. And then to show how artificial intelligence can be used in CPG production operations, Festo introduced its Festo Automation Experience, referred to as Festo AX at PAC Expo. Now, by using advanced analytics, Festo AX maps device and equipment data to learn a component, machine, product, or system's healthy state, and then provide information for the correction of any anomalies when operating data begins trending out of whatever the set normal range is. Now, Festo AX begins its process with condition monitoring and preventive maintenance calculation for either components, machines, or full systems. And for these applications, data that's collected from the factory floor is used to make uptime-based maintenance suggestions. And it's from this starting point that the capabilities of Festo AX can be extended with Festo's AI technology to analyze live data in real time, meaning that users can be made aware of any problem as soon as an anomaly occurs. And while Festo AX, of course, works with any Festo components, its use of common industrial communications technologies such as OPC-UA and MQTT means that it can also be integrated with third-party components and machines as well. And according to Festo, Festo AX can lower waste by more than 50%, reduce product rejection costs by more than 45%, increase machine availability by more than 25%, and reduce unplanned downtime by more than 20%. So I hope you enjoyed this Technology Matters episode and keep watching this space for regular updates on advances in and applications of industrial automation technology.